Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to magnify any portion of the screenshot image in iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just take a screenshot. So you can see here I've taken a screenshot and tap on this screenshot picture. And now you will see a screenshot image editor, right? And at the right bottom you can see one plus icon, right? Just tap on it. Now here you can see a magnifier, right? Just tap on it. Now you can see our circle separate magnifier is appearing, so you can just drag it wherever you want. So say I want to magnify these photos, so you can increase the size of this magnification circle just by dragging from this blue circle icon. As you can see on the ring separate blue dot, just drag from there. So you can see here. And if you want to zoom in more the photos application, then you can see a green dot on the circle ring. Just swipe it, so you can see here to increase or decrease more. So you can see here, and once you are done with your editing, you can see on the left above done, right? Just tap on it. Now you can see here an option save to photos, save to files, save to quick notes, wherever you want to save. So I want to save it in the photos application, so I'll choose the first option, save to photos. So now this screenshot image is being saved to my photos application. So let us open and let us check. So finally you can see here the screenshot image has been saved on my photos application. So by using this method you can magnify any portion of the screenshot image in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.